Welcome to Reshma International
May I
School.
have my tiffin? I'm hungry. Sir, আপনার স্টুডেন্টরা তো ক্লাসের ভিতরে বসে খায় আমার
Reshma International School, and I am very much privileged to speak before you, my dear honorable colleagues. It's a great chance, I think. Today we will learn how to speak in English. English is also a very easy language as your mother tongue Bangla. How to speak in English? If we want to say something, we should move our mouth. So if you want to speak in Bangla, so you should move your lips, use your mouth, use your some organs to produce sound. English is like that. Speaking, if you want to speak, so use your mouth. Yes, please. Want to speak, it is very easy. How? It is easy because we have mouth. All of you have mouths. I have mouths. I use it to eat food, making sound. And I use it my mouth to speak in Bangla. Accordingly, you can use it to speak in English. So if you want to speak English, don't stop your mouth moving. We practice using our mouth. This is the basic knowledge to gain any knowledge of a language. Use your mouth. Only use your mouth. When you are a baby, little baby, you will understand your language. You have no knowledge. Today we have knowledge. We read many books, but a little child, it has no knowledge. The baby will listen and the baby tries to speak it with its mouth. So produce sound with your mouth. This is very simple, just try it. Only trying can develop you. Just try. Without any practice, no one can develop his language skill. You suppose a little baby produce, just for example, a little baby listen 1,000 words. The baby tries to speak 500 words. So if we reach at our age, we have 30 days, 35 days, 40 or 25. Suppose I am 25 years old. From my birth, I speak, for example, 1 lakh sound. 1 lakh sound I produce from my mouth, 1 lakh Bangla sound. Or from my birth, I produce 50 lakh sounds. After producing 50 lakh sound, we can now be expert in Bangla. So this is a mathematical topic. If you want to be expert in English, so how many words you have produced with your mouth? This is the matter. If you produce 2 words, you cannot be expert in English. If you produce 2,000 words, you cannot be expert. If you produce 2 lakh words with your mouth, you can be expert in English. This is the only rule. Producing words is the only rule to be expert in English or expert any language. If it is your mother tongue or if it is a foreign language, this is not a matter. Matter is only producing sound. It is the fundamental practice. Without this practicing, nothing can help you to develop your English capacity, English language. If you close your lips, you have knowledge, grammar knowledge. You are living in a foreign country, nothing can help you. Any support you want to get. So you can get or you will be expert only producing English sound. First time you can be wrong. First time you can produce wrong sound. You will do wrong grammatically or any spelling or pronunciation. But it is not the matter. Only the matter is you are making sounds with your mouth. There are some simple examples we have learned before. Times ago, we have learned some simple example, simple sentence. Stop talking, কথা বলা বন্ধ করো, coming, ভিতরে এসো. We can practice it. But now we can also see, we can also look at the structure. Extension. We can, if we look at the structure, this is also the basic structure of English. This structure can help you everywhere. Every sentence. Without this structure, there is no any grammar in English. With this structure, you can make 12 structure of tense. So this is one structure, the base of tense. Subject. We learned from our boyhood or class 1 or primary level or high school level. We learn subject. There are 3 types of subject. First person, second person, third person. We have knowledge, but we cannot use it. We have knowledge. We have knowledge about this person, but we cannot use it. So, what is the result? Now we cannot speak in English. The result is our failure in English. What is the result? Reason is we didn't produce any sound with this subject. First person. What are the subject of first person? I and do. We knew these 2 words, 2 subjects from class 1, and now you are a university student. After all, you cannot make any sound, make any sentence in English. You cannot talk in English. What is the reason? What is the, please my dear students, what is the reason behind it? This is the, the reason is stop, you are keeping your lips closed when you speak in English. But in Bangla, you are doing many sounds every day. And second person, you. We tell many sentences every day using I, we, and you. What is the sentence? A sentence can be when you use a subject, then a verb. We can use a verb. Eat. I eat. In Bangla, আমি খাই. We eat. In Bangla, আমরা খাই. You eat. In Bangla, তুমি খাও or তোমরা খাও. We know it, the meaning of it we know this subject, we are very expert about this, but we are zero when we speak in English. We We cannot use this.
Madam.
Yes, please. We cannot use this when we want to say any sentence in English. We have knowledge in with our lips or with our mouth. We cannot use our speaking organs. 3. This sentence we use every day, everywhere. I drink, আমি পান করি. You drink, তুমি পান করো. We drink, আমরা পান করি. Sit, I sit, আমি বসি. We sit, আমরা বসি. You sit, তোমরা বসো. We use these words, we use this verb and subject all time, but we cannot say in English sentence. If we understand what is the matter behind our failure, we can make ourselves prosper. If we don't knowledge about our fault, we cannot prosper. So this is I think it is my opinion. If we practice speaking, we can be fluent in English. We can be like a native speaker. And it is very simple. It is very simple. Am I clear to you?
Yes.
Thank you. So, this is the basic structure. You can follow these structures. You will use a subject, then use a verb. It is enough. It is enough for your English. No need any grammar. You don't need more grammar. This is enough for us. Now, we can practice some sentence. I hope you will move your lips, your mouth, your speaking organs properly. So you can practice.